Hello everybody, my name is Johnny Bravo 22, and yes, I know the channel says Z Sands, that's just because it got set up wrong. I'm not the one who set it up. And today we're just gonna be playing some Skywars, so let's jump right into it. Skywars, right here. We're gonna play some of the. We're gonna play one of each. So, well, if we can fit one of each in. So normal. I'll go solo. I'm pretty trash. So. Oh yeah, don't have very many kits. Yeah, sorry if I go quiet a lot. It's just because I don't try to. It just happens. Boop, boop. That's good. Did I kill that dude? Oh, I'm gonna kill myself. Jesus. No, I didn't kill him. I don't think so, at least. No, he got... No, I'm pretty trash. Yikes, I'll take that tunic. Two people left. I just snag off of that. Holy tamale, nope. Not happening up today. I need to get there just in case. I'm about to die, aren't I? Oh, yep. Knew it. God damn it. Where did he even get me? That's impossible. No, it's not. That's a possible hit. Well, new game. Alrighty, so next one is, I think it's extreme. Yes, no, it's doubles. Alrighty, normal doubles. We're not going to do the extreme, we're just going to do normal. I'm not a big person, so... Oh no. I'm not recording it all, how about? I haven't been recording. I don't think I have. If I have, hi! Good to see you. I don't feel like I have them. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna stop now while I'm ahead. I think. No, actually, it's fine. It should be at least. I'm hoping to God. Nope, it's going. Perfect. Good to know. Alrighty then. So let's go to the next one because I'm absolutely trash. No, this isn't a big one. Let's not. Why don't we swap it? Let's go to a different game. One that I actually can try at. So there will not be an outro for this one. It's most likely just gonna cut because I'm trash and the little counter button isn't there anymore. Let's go play some Pops and Crims. That's fun. Oh, I know what this is. Great. Oh, this is what I wanted to do. But, well, let's just do a game. It's just gonna be a big random game, I guess. That's the chicken. Where's Herobrine? Does Herobrine? Yep. Herobrine's Ranchin'. What the? It just confused me for a second. No outro. I'm saying this now. It cuts out automatically. I'm going to say in the description, I am saucy. Because I really don't mean to do stuff like that. Just that poor software. Really poor software. Ooh, let's see. Okay, great. Well, yeah, so just poor software. Can't really do nothing about it. How much money do I have? 800. Then you get Z. Nothing there. You can buy Kevlar. Eagle. We already have an X. I refuse to crit. Yep. Gobi, you know, yes, Gobi. I actually got that right. I don't really play Counter-Strike. So. Site B. No one's at Site B, so Site A? Yikes. Gotcha. Taking that. Nope. The use. So they're definitely at A. At B, so A is this way. Site A. I don't know. Okay, we're going right. Let's follow this guy. So if he dies, we know something swishy. Maybe not. Just randomly got the bomb sitting here. Don't trust all these USBs sitting here either. Someone's dying somewhere. Yikes. Did I get the kill? Oh, it was me. Well then. Yeah, I'm trash. So, let's go pump. Some Kevlar. Kevlar. Diffuser, already have. Get firebomb. Let's go A. Site A. Right here. Yes, no, maybe so. Nope. No one's at Site A. They're all at Site B, most likely. Wizard, you're a Harry. Bomb planted. The bomb has been planted. AK-100. Oh. I do know the map a little bit though, so. Cause I do watch. Bomb defused. Yay! Got to keep my gun. This is the cool gun. I'm just gonna keep that. Have good stuff in this. So. Well then. Not much else to do, but just go. It's not really a good one anymore, though. Hopefully they go to Site A. Well, no one will go to Site A, so... I know I've said it before, but there will not be any outro, so it's just gonna cut out. And it kinda sucks, but I know. I am a human piece of garbage. I like to go through building. The building likes to go through me. Tastes like chicken. Gotcha, boys! Woo! There's nothing to buy. Maybe I can buy the 50 cal. That sounds nice. Oh, yeah! God, this is one of the only ones I have enchanted. You sneak! Sneak! Well, I know what I'm doing. It's gonna go towards this hole. Because this is basically an arrow. Did I kill someone? I feel like if I did, they're trash. Because I'm an absolute piece of human garbage. Go Betsy. All bet. Woo! I'm not getting any kills. I got one kill last round. That was final kill. Nothing needs to be bottom. Oh, we're resetting to the team. Well, I messed up. Where's the bomb? I want the bomb. Who's got bomb? He's got bomb. Let's go! The sound of my oops. I'm getting kills at least.
Bye, John.
Alright. Yep, well, interruptions happen. Did this kid not plant the bomb? What's wrong with this kid? Thank you. Me like custom gun. Oh my god. They're just sitting. Oh, he wanted to plant an A? Better. What is going on? Plant! God damn it. There we go. Oh, we lost. Great. Great. Get this now. Pumpy. I want the bomb. This boy's got the bomb. Give me a bomb. Bomb, 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 bomb. No? Maybe he can actually do something. This lunatic right here.